play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 4 books that every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Do you want to be more attractive to women? It's a question many young men ask, and today we're going to explore the answer. This video is brimming with information, insights, and advice on how to be more appealing, more desirable, and more irresistible. We're not just talking about physical attraction here, but a comprehensive allure that's much more than skin deep. We'll delve into the importance of personal appearance, mastering the art of conversation, and maintaining good physical health. We'll also discuss the influence of education and interests, personal and moral values, and being a people person. We'll go beyond the surface, examining the significance of being business-minded, forward-thinking, financially stable, and having a knack for handyman skills. It's an exciting journey that awaits us, and we promise it's going to be enlightening. So, are you ready to transform your life? Now, let's dive into the first step. First up, personal appearance. Now, we're not saying you need to look like a Hollywood star, but a little effort goes a long way. Think about it. When you meet someone, what's the first thing you notice? It's their appearance, right? Our appearance is our visual resume. It tells a story about us before we even say a word. So, what does your appearance say about you? Are you clean and well-groomed? Do you pay attention to details like neat hair, trimmed nails, and fresh breath? These are the basics of personal hygiene and grooming, and they're non-negotiable. And don't forget about your clothing style. Clothes don't make the man, but they do make a statement. So, find a style that suits you and makes you feel confident. In the end, it's all about presenting the best version of yourself. Remember, a well-groomed man is a more attractive man. Next, let's talk about the art of conversation. You see, good communication isn't just about expressing yourself, it's also about understanding others. To start, it's essential to be a good listener. This means giving the other person your full attention, not just waiting for your turn to speak. Show interest in what they're saying and respond appropriately. Secondly, it's important to engage in meaningful discussions. Ask open-ended questions to keep the conversation flowing and share relevant stories or experiences. This not only deepens the connection, but also shows that you're not just a passive participant. And remember, good conversation is like a tennis match. The dialogue should always be back and forth, so avoid dominating the conversation, but also don't shy away from contributing your thoughts and ideas. Lastly, be authentic. Genuine interest and sincerity can't be faked. So, be yourself, and let your personality shine through. With good conversational skills, you can charm anyone. Now let's move on to physical health. Being fit and healthy isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When you're physically healthy, you exude a certain kind of confidence that people, especially women, find attractive. So how can you achieve this? Regular exercise is key. It doesn't have to be grueling gym sessions, but something as simple as a brisk walk or a quick jog can make a world of difference. Aim to get your heart pumping for at least 30 minutes a day. And let's not forget about nutrition. A balanced diet can do wonders for your physical health.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Try to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your meals. And remember, everything in moderation. Physical health isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that can have a big impact over time. Remember, a healthy body is a sexy body. Knowledge is sexy, don't you agree? The pursuit of knowledge, of being well-read and well-rounded, is an undeniably attractive trait. Let's delve into why this matters. Firstly, education provides a foundation for understanding the world around us. It's not just about formal schooling, it's about lifelong learning. Keep your curiosity alive. Read books, follow the news, study something new every day. Secondly, developing interests and hobbies gives you depth. It makes you more than just a face in the crowd. Whether you're into astronomy, cooking, or rock climbing, your passion makes you interesting. Lastly, your knowledge and interests can fuel captivating conversations. Imagine engaging someone with your insights about a recent scientific breakthrough, or your experiences in a pottery class. The more you know, the more you have to share, and the more engaging you become. So, keep learning, keep growing, stay curious and stay passionate. Remember, a knowledgeable man is an attractive man. What about values and character? Let's delve into this pivotal aspect. You see, personal values and character traits play a vital role in making a man more attractive. It's not all about the physical or materialistic aspects, it's about who you are as a person. Cultivate qualities such as kindness, integrity, and respect for others. These aren't just buzzwords. Kindness shows empathy and understanding, traits that are universally appealing. Integrity demonstrates that you stand by your principles and are trustworthy. Respect for others reflects your ability to value differences and maintain harmonious relationships. Remember, your character is your calling card. It's what people remember about you when you're not in the room. It's the silent testimony of your conduct and values. So, focus on building a character that speaks volumes about you. And of course, be genuine. Authenticity is attractive. Be true to yourself and your values. Because at the end of the day, remember, a good man is an attractive man. Let's talk money. Financial stability is not about being a millionaire or flaunting expensive items. It's about demonstrating that you can manage your finances responsibly, save for the future, and handle unexpected expenses. It shows you're reliable, which is a quality that women often find attractive. So, how can you showcase financial stability? Start by creating a budget. This will help you understand where your money goes and how you can save more. Next, start saving consistently. Even if it's just a small amount each month, it's the consistency that counts. Investing is another excellent way to demonstrate financial stability. It shows you're thinking about the future and are taking steps to secure it. Of course, you don't have to be a Wall Street wizard. Simple investments in low-risk portfolios can be a good starting point. Lastly, avoid debt as much as possible. Being debt-free shows that you live within your means and manage your finances wisely. Remember, a financially secure man is an attractive man. Let's wrap things up. We've traversed a broad spectrum of qualities and skills that can elevate a young man's attractiveness to women. It's not just about the superficial elements, but rather a complex interplay of several factors that make you uniquely you. We started with personal appearance, underscoring the importance of good hygiene and grooming. Remember, the first impression is a lasting one, so put in the time and effort to present your best self. Next, we delved into the art of conversation. We've learned that being able to engage, listen, and respond in a meaningful way can make a world of difference. It's about the quality of your words, not the quantity. We then moved on to physical health. A healthy body is a reflection of discipline, self-respect, and a positive lifestyle. Whether it's hitting the gym, running, or playing a sport, find something that keeps you active and fit. We also touched on the role of education and interests. A well-rounded individual with a thirst for knowledge and a passion for something beyond himself is appealing. It's about being curious, open-minded, and eager to learn and grow. Then came personal values and character. Integrity, respect, and kindness never go out of style. These values not only make you attractive to others, but also help you lead a fulfilling life. We also discussed financial stability. It's not about flaunting wealth, but demonstrating that you're capable of managing your finances responsibly. It's about planning for the future and being prepared for life's uncertainties. So as we conclude, remember this: attractiveness is a multifaceted concept that goes beyond mere physical appeal. It's about exhibiting qualities that reflect your character, your values, and your life choices. It's about being someone who respects others, values relationships, and strives for personal growth. Remember, attractiveness is more than just looks. It's about who you are as a person and how you treat others. So go out there and be the best man you can be.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. The young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.